Hi, I'm Ray and this is Gardening Online. Today we're in the greenhouse and I've only got a 6x4 greenhouse, so it's a bit tight for space, but it's nice and warm in here. Today we're going to grow some lupins, and we've got some seeds from lupins and we've got some Wilco's lupin mix. So we're going to show you what we're going to do with our seeds and our lupin bulbs or tubers. So let me show you. So first we're going to have a look at sowing the lupins, and this is ones that we saved last year and I'll show you on the video, and this is the seeds that we've got. There's a couple of squashes mixed in, but that's the seeds that we saved from last year. So what we're going to do is we've got our compost mix and we've got a slightly sandy mix. We've mixed some sharp sand and there's also a bit of perlite in the tray, and we're just using a cell tray for this exercise, and we're just filling up the cell tray with the compost, firming it down, and there we go. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our seeds and what we're going to do, we're going to plant 2 seeds in each cell, 1, 2, and we're going to put them down about 3 to 5 centimeters, 2 in each section. You can soak these overnight for a few hours, but these are just literally straight out of the bucket from what I've saved. So we've got 2 in each of those saved trays, and the rest can be saved for another day. So that's our seeds planted, and we're just going to cover up with some compost. Now these can be watered and then set back. Here we go. So that's our lupin seeds. We don't know what colour these are, but they come from the original plant. They were purples and whites. So all we need to do now is to give it a bit of a spray of water, get it damp, and then they can sit in the tray. So there's our lupins planted in the cell trays. There we go. So these are going to go on my bench and they can grow from there. So we expect some seedlings within 24-30 days, and we'll come back and we'll have a look at those. So the next thing we're going to look at is the lupin bulbs, and these can be planted March to June, flowers June to August, perennials for the garden, patio or planters, height 40 inches or 100 centimeters. So we've got 3 lupins mixed. If we look at them, you can see they've started sprouting, so they really need to be getting out now. So spacing 4 inches apart, when to plant: March to June, flowering June to August. So this is the Lupin Russell. Has majestic flower spikes which provide early summer colour year after year. Great for dot planting and mixed cottage style borders. So that'd be great. So let's have a look and see what we've got inside. So this is from Wilco's, and these cost £2. And here we go, it's rather dry in here. I'm going to open this over the top of the can, and as we can see, the lupins are already sprouting, but they need to be sorted out pretty quickly. So let's see what we've got in here. Bring as gently as we can. So here's the roots, and this is what we've got. So that can go in there. So there's 3 lupins mixed. So it does all look like one plant, but we gently tease them, and hopefully there should be 3. Aha, we've actually got elastic band holding these together. So cutting the band, and now it releases the 3 bulbs. So here we go, we've got 1, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So as you can see, they're pretty much shooting all over the place. So we need to get these into a pot. So I've got these fairly large pots, and these are 5-litre pots, and these would be just great. So I'm just going to fill it up with some compost, just multi-purpose compost, and then we take our roots and we're just going to put them in the middle. There we go, looking after the stems. A couple of those are broken. And there we go. So we're just planting them up. So we've got 3 bulbs, and we're doing 3 lupins. So good to get these out now and get them going. So that's one done. And we'll look forward to watching these grow. Let's do the others. This one is a bit better and has a longer root. So we're just going to bury that one down. Flattening it in. I'm just going to remove that one because it's broken. And there we go. Really look forward to growing these on. There we go, there's 2. One more to go. And there's our 3rd one. So this one's looking a bit spindly. Gonna get it in. There we go. So that's our lupins planted. 3 lupins, 3 bulbs. And I'm just going to place these into some water so they can get watered from the bottom. There we go. So that's our 3 lupins planted. 1, 2, 3. And we look forward to watching these grow. Good job done. So we come back now to the lupins, and it's around 30 days, and now they've just started sprouting. And quite interestingly, the 2 leaves come out, and then all of a sudden it shoots out a spike with the lupin leaf that we all recognise. It's quite interesting. So these are going to be potted up into a bigger pot, and then grown on from there. Then they can be transported into the bigger pot after that. So really pleased with that, and we look forward to seeing the rest of it grow. So this is our lupins. As we can see, they've grown quite well. So we're just taking them out of the modules, and we're going to plant these up into their own pots. So we've taken 2 out of the module, just got our pot, and we're going to plant these in 2s to save a bit of compost and grow them on. So I'm not burying them too deep. I'm keeping the stems the same as where they were, and just putting them in a slightly sandy mix here. And that's our 2 lupins potted up, and we're going to carry on for the rest of the trays. So, thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell. Get notifications when I post some more. And let me know, have you grown lupins? What colour lupins have you grown? And yeah, join me on my Facebook group and we can follow these, how they get on. But really pleased with how these are doing, and looking forward to growing in the summer. So, thank you very much. Cheers for now.